objective of the event was to have better understanding about the regulatory issues that we have been seeing since last few years, and because of the regulatory developments, we have been seeing Indian pharma companies seeing meaningful impact. Its stock prices are correcting more than 20%, 30% on various developments. We think this is not the financial or adverse impact of this development regulatory actions that stocks are correcting. It is because of the kind of uncertainty about these developments, or the kind of lack of awareness about the facts is really concerning the investors. The objective of the event is to create or have better understanding about the facts amongst the investor community. Of late, USFDA has started the just-in-time based inspection practice, whereby now they are coming without intimating the companies about the inspections, and mostly the inspections are surprise based. Alongside, they are also doing the inspections on the risk based approach. So whereby they are doing, they have prioritized the events and the inspections. So they consider that it is the injectable plants are the most priority based, fall under the most priority based inspections, followed by the new product or new plant based inspections, and then comes the old plants with a clear track record, and most importantly, there is no priority at all for the plants which are under regulatory issues currently. So it is now very loud and clear from all the panelists that data integrity is the most critical observation so far as plant inspections are concerned. Second aspect is that the cross contamination is the second critical observation a inspector can have. Normally those observations are found in sterile manufacturing plant or liquid manufacturing plants. After data integrity and cross contamination, the third critical observations could be on the computer control systems. Of late, see, though USFDA has implemented this electronic signature and electronic data generation clause since 2003, but it's been implemented across the world since 2007. But in over last 2 years, they have included that in most of their compliance related inspection practices. From the expert side, it is that data integrity is the key problem, and wherever there is a issue of a data integrity, that can lead to either warning letter or import alert, and the timeline to resolve these issues or warning letter or import alert having data integrity, there is no standard timeline to resolve the regulatory issues. And see, for a warning letter which is not having any data integrity issue, to resolve such situations, it takes almost 10 to 12 months time. This is to some extent a standard norm, but wherever the element of data integrity is there, there is no timeline as such. So from this fact, the inference comes for for the Indian company having the warning letter in any of their plant. If you consider, then it seems that something is negative. Recently, USFDA has lifted import alert from Sun's Mohali plant, and the larger plant based at Halol currently under warning letter. So since they could manage to clear the plant which are under import alert, so that gives a positive indications that possibly in the near future the Halol plant would be seeing clearance from the USFDA side. So that is our net. We are of the view that possibly player like Dr. Reddy would see much longer time to clear its plants, and that is why it would be a bit negative, and we are getting positive vibes for Sun Pharma's Halol plant clearance. So this is the kind of a final reading that we are getting from the event today.